Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you new futuristic drone DJI Avata. Is available now for sale. Is really incredible drone. Let's go to watch, and don't forget for subscribe is really important for me. Thanks. The Avata isn't a particularly fast drone with a top speed of 18 miles per hour in normal mode and 31 miles per hour in sport mode, but these speeds are perfect for flying in complex environments. To enjoy its top speed of 60 miles per hour, you have to fly in manual mode using the FPV Remote Controller 2. This is a mode that requires many hours of practice using FPV simulators and cheap beginner FPV drone kits before even thinking about flying the Avata like this. It's notoriously difficult, and even experienced pilots are prone to crashes when they push their boundaries to capture the most awe-inspiring videos. Making FPV flight comfortable, DJI's new ultra-low latency FPV goggles 2 provide a clear video feed in 1080p at 100 fps, with a bitrate of 50 mbps. Transmission distance is 10 km in the United States and 2 km in Europe, but during testing the digital signal could struggle at as close as 300 meters depending on obstacles such as trees between the drone and pilot. In this situation the feed becomes highly pixelated and difficult to view. FPV drones are all about capturing video, so it's here where the Avata excels. But despite this, it can capture JPEGs with its 48MP 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor. You can take manual control of exposure or shoot in auto, but photos often feature a wonky horizon, so using the camera for stills is almost pointless. This may be useful for shooting more dynamic FPV stills, but with no ability to capture raw files, results are further limited. Overall, the fixed f2.8 lens with a fixed focus extending from 0.6 meters to infinity with a 12.7mm equivalent focal length captures excellent quality video. The Avata is all about capturing immersive video and can capture in 4K up to 60 fps, 2.7K at up to 100 fps, and 1080p up to 100 fps with DJI goggles 2. While with the DJI FPV goggles V2 2.7K and 1080p video can be captured up to 120 fps. 100 and 120th fps is for slow motion. The maximum video bitrate is 150 mbps, and color profiles include normal and D-scene like. The latter is for color grading in professional workflows, but normal looks great straight out of camera for those who prefer simplicity. The DJI Avata is available in 2 kits and with the drone as a standalone, so owners of compatible controllers and goggles can use their existing accessories. This basic no-RC kit includes the Avata, 1 intelligent flight battery, a single battery charging dock, USB-C cable, a screwdriver, spare screws, and a gimbal protector, all for the cost of $629/£499. Most people will require a full kit with a controller and DJI FPV goggles, and there are 2 options, the DJI Avata Pro View Combo and the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo. These kits offer everything in the basic no-RC kit, but also include the DJI Motion Controller and a pair of goggles. The Pro View Combo costs $1,388 per £1,229, opens in new tab, and includes the latest DJI goggles 2 and associated accessories, while the Fly Smart Combo costs $1,168 per £989, opens in new tab, and includes the slightly older DJI FPV goggles V2 associated accessories.